welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not a fashion or a beauty video, but is about COVID-19, coronavirus, which we all are aware of. A situation where I live in Delhi, in Mumbai, in the country, India, outside the country, it's everywhere, and it is now declared as a pandemic. A pandemic is when the outbreak of a particular disease takes place in more than 2 countries, in several countries, and that is what is happening with coronavirus. It's across the world, and people are suffering from it. So by WHO, it is declared as a pandemic. It was when it started in China, it was called an epidemic. Epidemic is when a large population within the country is suffering from the particular disease. So it started in China, but now it is everywhere. And a pandemic does not necessarily have to have very deadly symptoms, because as we all know, coronavirus has really common symptoms such as cold, cough, and nausea, fever, and a difficulty in breathing. These simple symptoms, even then it has been called as a pandemic. So as I told you, the symptoms are not deadly. So if you think आपको लग रहा है कि मेरे को बहुत टाइम से कोल्ड हो रहा है और कफ हो रहा है और ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, जो आपको फीवर हो रहा है काफ़ी दिन से और वो नहीं जा रहा है, तो आप प्लीज़, आई अर्ज यू गाइज दैट यू कैन गो एंड चेक, get yourself checked from doctors. I think it's our responsibility that if we think कि हम ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है, so it's our responsibility that we do not transfer it to other people as well. So if you think, please go visit a doctor. The next thing I want to talk about is washing hands for 20 seconds. I know that this is a little, when you think that 20 seconds it's too much, but it is not if you use the proper technique. So I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial of how you can wash your hands. So it's very simple. You first have to rub your palms like this together, and then you have to interlock your fingers like this, then from the back as well and in the front as well. I hope that you guys can see what I'm trying to do over here. Then we also have to wash our knuckles here and our nails here. So that is how we do it, in this motion and over here. Then same happens in the other hand also, and like this. Then we next come to the thumb, and we have to do it for the left hand, then we have to do it for the right hand. So if you will follow all these steps very nicely, 20 seconds आराम से हो जाएंगे और आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा. So please, we should prefer washing our hands with water than using sanitizers. Sanitizers are when we're outside of the house, but when you're inside of the house, please make sure that you wash with a really nice hand wash. The next thing I want to talk about is your immune system, guys. So the cases of coronavirus are generally found in people who are above the age of 60 or like 80 plus people, because the only simple logic behind this is if the immune system, if your immune power is weak, you will catch the virus very quickly. So very important that you make sure that you're eating good food, healthy food, and consuming vitamin C, a lot of vitamin C, which will be in your oranges and all those stuff. You try to consume such stuff and increase your immune power. Also guys, in India, around 78 people are diagnosed with coronavirus, out of which 57 of them are Indians and 17 of them are foreigners. So India may be धीरे धीरे number, the count of people who are suffering are increasing day by day, and all of us are lockdown situation can also happen in India. It is not something which is not possible. Definitely if this increases, lockdown wali situation aa jati hai where you have to stay indoors all the time. So for that, you can definitely stock up on your basic needs, everyday needs. Please do not stock up for the next 6 months, because the poor people and the people who are actually needy would also require such stuff. So just stock up on your basic daily needs, because the situation might come and you have to be prepared for that also. It won't come with a prior notice. The government can do it overnight, so you can also take care of that. So that's it, guys. I hope that I gave out enough information on the topic. I know that we all are aware of it, and we are educated and informed citizens, so we should definitely take this very serious and not joke about it. It's a situation where we all have to come together and fight against it. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please hit like, share it with your friends as much as you can, with your family, and comment down below your views. If you want to see how you can make a hand sanitizer at home, because I know hand sanitizers are just out of the stock. It's not available in the market. So if you want to know how you can make it at home, I know I've made one. So if you want to know, please comment down below and I will surely make a quick video on that as well. Catch me up on my Instagram stories as I keep posting more updates about the coronavirus. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe for more such videos. I will see you next time. Bye.